Yeah, good morning, everyone. So again, market remained more of a sideway in the US. Market were marginally down, whereas the futures are positive. And also Asian market are also giving mixed indications. Some markets are positive and another are negative, but not with wide margins within 1% range. And commodities are seeing some softness. Oil is down by around $1.5 from the same time yesterday, same time. And also iron ore is down by around 2.5% and steel by around 1%. In fact, the dollar index has shown sharp up move. Yesterday, it went down as to the level of 104, and now it is at around 104.40. So that is having some negative impact on the various commodity and indices. So again, in India also, similar trend can be visible. We may see more of sideway or volatile, marginal volatility for the today's trade. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. So we have seen a flattish move in yesterday's trading session. Nifty is currently following in the range. The upside range is around 22,170, whereas the downside range is around 21,950. These two important ranges are its 50-day moving average and 20-day moving average. 50-day moving average is the lower one, whereas the 20-day moving average is the higher one. Even today, we are expecting a flattish move and expecting a sideways move during the day. The immediate support for Nifty lies at the same price, 21,940. If there's a downside, then we can expect a further fall toward 21,870 to 21,800. Whereas the upside range is capped at 22,070, followed by 22,170. Talking about Bank Nifty has shown a similar move like Nifty in yesterday's trading session. It was a flattish move, and Bank Nifty is currently taking the support of its 50-day moving average, which is around 46,870. That will act as an important support zone. If that is broken, then we can expect the support zone is 46,550. Whereas if that is broken, then we can expect a further downfall towards 46,370 to 46,000. Whereas the upside resistance for Bank Nifty is at 46,870, followed by 47,000 levels. Talking about Fin Nifty, so Fin Nifty has closed around 20,700, and the downside support zone is around 20,600, followed by 20,500. Whereas the upside resistance lies at 20,770 to 20,840. Stock specific, it is going to be a very stock specific market. So we have short and long calls here. So Balakrishna Industries is looking weak at current levels, can be shorted for a target of 2180 by keeping a strict stop loss of 2300. Whereas sale is looking good at current levels, can be bought for a target of 138 by keeping a strict stop loss of 126. That's all from my side. I request derivatives team to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, if you look at the overall OI position, it is quite visible that in today's first half, we might see some sort of selling pressure in the market because from 22,000 to 22,400 strike completely, we are seeing that the call writer positions have got it up heavily against the put writer position. While on the monthly basis, we are seeing that the positions at a 22,000 strike of put writer is still holding strongly. So Nifty is likely to be in the range bound momentum of 21,900 to 22,200 range. But in first half of session, we might expect some sell off in today's scenario. Once if Nifty comes near 21,950 to 900 range, again if we Nifty manage to hold the support, then again we might witness some pullback on the upside toward 22,100 level. While on the PCR front, we are seeing that the PCR yesterday closed at 1.11 level. The resistance for the PCR is at 1.18 level. Once if PCR goes above 1.18 level, then we might see some stability from where we might expect some fresh buying opportunity. Till that time, we should wait for the new long position need to be created in today's trading scenario. While India VIX yesterday closed at 12.82%, 12.82 level. Hence, we are seeing that India VIX came down sharply from 16 level to 12.82 level, again trading in the range of 12.5 to 14 range. Once if India VIX goes above 14 level, again then the volatility will again start getting fluctuated in the market. Till the time it's not going above 14, till that point of time the market range for the Nifty front will be on the flattish note as per the India VIX session. So overall data seems to be on the range bound to some sort of selling pressure in today's first half of trading session. While on the stock specific front, counter that looks positive will be Ipca Lab and ICICI Prudential. Prudential Life. In these two counters, we have seen that the short covering position have been extremely added up sharply in yesterday's trading session, and the fresh long position will be initiated in today's trading scenario. So we can create new long position in Ipca and ICICI Prudential Life. So that's it from better to front. Thank you.
Good morning. Piramal Enterprises has said that they will be investing 2,000 crores in Piramal Capital and Housing Finance, which is the retail NBFC subsidiary, by way of subscription of rights issue. So this will be positive as the unallocated money that is lying with the parent company will get invested in the retail arm, which will get a good valuation. Angel One has set a floor price of 2,555 rupees per share for its QIP against current market price of 2,727. We expect aggressive investments in operating expenditure to drive client acquisition, which could hurt the margins in the near term. We have seen this play out in Q3 result also, where management maintained that there is good likelihood of margins coming down from historical levels as the company is chasing a faster top line growth. So that will be negative in the near term for Angel One. Thank you.
Yeah, Sanofi and Cipla has tied up for marketing of 6 of the Sanofi drug in CNS segment. That is some central nerve system segment, and Cipla will be using its pan-India marketing network to sell these 6 products of Sanofi India and Sanofi Health Care India Private Limited. The manufacturing of these drugs will continue to be in Sanofi India Limited, and only the marketing part is being shifted to the Cipla, and will act as a positive for Cipla as it will improve its portfolio of CNS drug. Another news is that Shyam Metalic has received approval for allotment of iron ore mine. This is in Maharashtra, and this is in JV with its promoter company. And company will be holding 51% holding in the JV company. They had received at premium, and the final price of offer is 126.35%. So they will be paying 26% additional for the mining and sale of this iron ore. So positive for Shyam Metalic in the bit longer period, as it will take time to explore the mine and all, and which may take longer period. I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. A very good morning, all of you. For today's trading session in USGNR, we are expecting some profit taking from the higher levels. So we are expecting the USGNR trading in the range of 83.48 on the higher end and 83.25 on the lower end. So if we get any bounce around 83.42 to 83.45 levels, then one can initiate a short positions with a stop loss of 83.61 for the target of 83.35 and 83.25 levels. In Euro INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 90.46 to 90.35 levels with a stop loss of 90.19 for the target of 90.60 and 90.75 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a long positions in the range of 105.25 to 105.20 levels with a stop loss of 104.95 for the target of 105.32 and 105.61 levels. Thank you.